I am a magician, if you didn't know. And I can show you a magic trick.
Okay.
No, actually, it's 3 magic tricks.
Okay.
I'm going to show you. Now, take a card. I won't look. We get the same card.
Okay. All right.
Now, give me a minute. Give me a card. Shuffle them up. Is this your card?
What? Yes. Good job.
Got 9 again.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, do the crazy scissors.
Well, if you didn't know, I also have a hand for scissors. I have no need for using real scissors.
Okay.
I can just use magic.
Okay.
See this?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to fold this up. I like making paper snowflakes. So now, cut it up. Cut it up. Now, drop it. Now, may open it up.
Wow.
It's all cut up.
That's pretty cool.
Paper snowflake.
Pretty awesome.
Now, may you please give me 2 coins with me? Just 2 coins.
Mm-hmm. 2 nickels.
Yeah, 2 nickels. 10 cents. Only 10 cents.
What?
20 cents.
You double my money.
Making money is really easy.
Is it? Okay. Good job. Pretty awesome. Amazing magic.
Well,